Welcome to my video. In this video, we'll learn why building a personal brand is one of the most powerful things you can do for your career and personal growth. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to get all the opportunities, better jobs, more clients, even invitations to exclusive events, while others struggle to be noticed? The secret is personal branding. Many professionals and entrepreneurs don't realize they're losing opportunities not because they lack skills, but because they haven't positioned themselves as experts. Without a strong personal brand, your expertise is invisible. You may be the best in your field, but if no one knows about you, it won't matter. Did you know? Over 70% of hiring managers check a candidate's online presence before making a decision. If your name doesn't bring up a professional and compelling digital footprint, you could be missing out. In today's rapidly evolving world, innovation is shaping every industry. Whether you're in tech, marketing, finance, or creative fields, the demand for visible, adaptable professionals has never been higher. A well crafted personal brand sets you apart. It signals to employers, clients, and even potential collaborators that you know your stuff and you're the go to person in your niche. And the best part? Opportunities start coming to you. Instead of chasing jobs or clients, your brand attracts them. Start by identifying what makes you unique. What are your skills, values, and experiences that set you apart? Optimize your online presence. Make sure your social media, especially LinkedIn, reflects your expertise. Post valuable insights, share achievements, and engage with industry leaders. Create and share content. Whether it's blogs, videos, podcasts, or even tweets, showcase your knowledge. Consistency builds credibility. Network and collaborate. Engage with like minded professionals. Join conversations in your field. The more you put yourself out there, the more recognition you gain. Your personal brand is your career insurance. It's what will keep you relevant, sought after, and ahead in an ever changing world. Don't wait for opportunities to find you. Take charge, build your brand, and watch your life change. If you found this valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your biggest personal branding challenge. Let's grow together. Want a step by step guide to defining and designing your personal brand? Download our free personal branding workbook in the link below and take action today. Until next time, stay visible, stay valuable, and own your brand.